Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have two top-notch robot vacuum cleaners that will make your cleaning tasks a breeze. In the red corner, we have the AIRROBO Robot Vacuum Cleaner, and in the blue corner, we have the Roomba Combo J5. Let's dive into the comparisons and find out which one comes out on top. When it comes to suction power, both the AIRROBO and Roomba Combo J5 are impressive. The AIRROBO boasts a powerful suction of 2,800 pascals, allowing it to pick up more debris, pet hair, and dirt on all surfaces. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo J5 features the same powerful vacuum technology as the Roomba J7, providing a comprehensive clean with its 4-stage cleaning system. It pulls in dirt, debris, and pet hair from wherever it hides. Efficient navigation and advanced sensors are crucial for a hassle-free cleaning experience. The AIRROBO P20 utilizes gyroscope navigation, ensuring a thorough cleaning with its efficient zigzag path. Highly sensitive sensors prevent it from falling or damaging your furniture and walls. As for the Roomba Combo J5, it goes a step further with proprietary Dirt Detect technology. It can detect dirtier areas of your home and clean them more thoroughly. Having control over your robot vacuum cleaner is essential. The AIRROBO P20 offers smart app control, allowing you to easily set up cleaning schedules, change cleaning modes, control the suction level, and cleaning direction. Additionally, it comes with a separate remote control for use without a network. The Roomba Combo J5 also offers control through the iRobot Home app, enabling you to create no-mop zones and customize your cleaning preferences. Nobody wants their robot vacuum cleaner to run out of battery mid-cleaning. The AIRROBO P20 impresses with a runtime of up to 120 minutes on a single charge, covering up to 1500 SQFT of space. When the battery is low or cleaning is complete, it automatically returns to the charging dock. Similarly, the Roomba Combo J5 ensures worry-free cleaning with its compatibility with the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal, providing up to 60 days of worry-free vacuuming. The AIRROBO Robot Vacuum Cleaner and the Roomba Combo J5 are both exceptional choices for keeping your floors clean. The AIRROBO shines with its powerful suction and efficient navigation, while the Roomba Combo J5 impresses with its Dirt Detect technology and compatibility with the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. And there you have it. The AIRROBO Robot Vacuum Cleaner and the Roomba Combo J5 are both exceptional choices for keeping your floors clean. The AIRROBO shines with its powerful suction and efficient navigation, while the Roomba Combo J5 impresses with its Dirt Detect technology and compatibility with the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all our latest comparisons. Let us know in the comments which product you would choose and if there are any other products you'd like us to compare. Until next time, stay smart and buy smart.